Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a password for your pages on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, it is very easy to set up your password. In fact, if you've just created your store, it already has one. And to set one up, if you've removed it, all you have to do is go into settings in the bottom left, and then you'll have customer privacy over here at the bottom. And this is the wrong place. So let me just remember where I need to go. Yeah, I messed this up. Excuse me. What you need to do is go into online store and then go into preferences. And here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see your password, which you can then edit very easily. You can put whatever password you want. It can be any random string of letters, numbers, signs. I'm pretty sure most or all signs are allowed. And then you just click save and make sure restrict access to visitors with password is checked off. And once you're done with that, then your password will be set, and that is pretty much it. I'm pretty much sure that whenever somebody goes to your site, they will need to enter this password to access this page, so there's no need to create a separate page for a login. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.